everyone, welcome back to another video with another super duper question. So today it is part 4 of our Math Kangaroo previous year question series. Today we will be looking at a new problem that came in 2019 Math Kangaroo examination. And this question is again of 4 marks. So let's reveal the question. So the question is, which of the figures can be cut into these three pieces? Okay, so the pieces are given to us. Let me show you the pieces. So we have this piece, we have this piece, and we are having this piece, correct? If we are going to arrange it properly, automatically option number A and option number B are out because it contains straight lines, correct? Whereas in option number A and option number B, there are no straight lines. Now let's try to arrange it. Can we arrange this like this? And can you see the similar option in the question? Yes, it's option number C. So the correct answer of this question is option number C. And as we look at option number D, there is no curved surface. That is one more reason why option number D is out. And if you will check option number E, there is only one curved surface, whereas in question, there should be two curved surfaces. I hope it's very much clear. And if you like today's video, do let us know in the comments below. And if you have more suggestion, if you're facing any difficulty in any of the questions, do let us know. We will be happy to create a tutorial for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Happy learning.